I will explain about definition input and output. Input and output describe any operation, program or device that transfer data to or from computer. Next, input in computing. Any information or data that is sent to a computer from processing is considered input. Input or user input is more often sent to the computer using an input device.
Okay, so now I will be presenting about input device. Input devices is any hardware device that send data to a computer. It allows you to interact with and control the computer. The most common input device are keyboard and mouse. Example of input devices. The first one is audio conversion device. They are designed to convert audio of various formats into a digital format for use on a computer. It can be MP3, MP4 and such. This is example of audio conversion device. Okay, the second one is barcode reader. It is an electronic device that can read and output printed barcode to a computer. Okay. This is barcode reader. The third one is biometric, such as fingerprint scanner. Is an automated method of verifying of recognizing the identity. So, conclusion is today it is very important to have the input device because it allows you to interact with the computer by adding new information to it. Okay.
Okay, I will continue this presentation. Okay, I will explain about output. Output is any information that has been processed by and sent out of the computer or any similar device. Next, for example, output is anything that you view in your computer monitor. Data that is printed onto a piece of the paper also considered a form of the output. Okay, we move to the output device. Output device is any peripheral device that receives data from a computer, usually for display, projection, or physical reproduction. Okay, example of the output device is monitors and printers. Monitor and printers are two of the most common output device used with a computer.
Okay, now I will continue the presentation and I will explain about the example of output device. The first one is printer. A device that accepts the text and graphic output from a computer and transfer the information to paper. Okay, this is the example of printer. Okay, the second one is projector. A projector is output device that can take image generated by a computer or blu-ray player and reproduce them onto a screen or wall. Okay, this are the example of projector. Okay, the last of example of output device is lighting control system. Intelligent network-based lighting control solution that incorporates communication between various systems.
Now I will present about processing input and output. Okay, this is CPU. CPU also known central process unit. Okay, CPU is acting for processing data and converting it to information form. As we can see, Data from main memory is transferred to CPU for processing data, and it can be converted into information form to main memory. RAM, RAM also storing data and instruction while it's decode. Input is transfer data from computer environment into memory. From main memory to computer environment. System interconnection is component that serve as a medium controlling the operation of input, RAM, CPU, and output component, so that they come in support of each other. This is overall process input and output in the computer. Do you know what types of data are transferred by the input component to the main memory? The types of data transferred by the input to main memory component are text, graphic, audio, video, and animation. The information is data that has been processed and has the meaning.